You can't make this stuff up. Guys, during Luna's price drop, Uprise lost all of its customer money by shorting the stock. This isn't something you can make up. Luna seems to be in a strange place right now. Make certain, button up upright smash to the ground. This is something I've never heard of before. Client funds totaling $20 million were wiped out when Luna Futures was forced into liquidation. What's going on? 199% of the money was stolen from client systems. What if 99% of the population did this? Luna's price drop and subsequent bounces cost Korean crypto firm Uprise nearly all of its client assets. Oh my god. Korean company to release economic data on Wednesday. This explains why we were unaware of it, right? However, this is why you must be so cautious about what you do and what Luna truly did in an unintentional manner. Also, that's a little bizarre. What the hell am I supposed to do here? Smash that like button beneath. Hey, bit a bit to custodial market for crypto assets from clients and traded them in an AI-enabled futures market. This pre-news news stunned me. However, the technology was unable to prohibit the firm from engaging in leveraged crypto trading. Once Luna Futures trading position was liquidated, resulting in a loss of $20 million. Do you know what you're doing? The short-term gain isn't worth putting your $20 million at danger for. Shorting Luna at a time when its price was falling, but adding some price prompts along the road resulted in liquidation. Because of this, almost all of the client's money has been lost in the robbery. High net worth individuals and businesses make up the bulk of the clientele. Price also reportedly lost $3 million of its own cash, a price which apparently considers some sort of causality for the affected users. According to the article, customers' assets have indeed been damaged as a result of the market's unexpectedly high volatility. We intend to complete the project and return something to the community, which is wonderful. A representative for a company named Economic Daily, Korean venture capital behemoth Kakao Ventures, and major commercial lender Haha Bank are among the investors in Uprise. In December 2021, the company received a Series C investment of around $18.3 million. This is the latest cryptocurrency business to be affected by the tokens of the lunar crash. Financial difficulties have resulted from the spiral in May and its sibling token on Thursday. As a result, this is what occurred. My best estimate is that all the tiny fish in this startup's ecosystem also lost $20 million to the major ones, like a crypto business. Their high averages must be the reason for this, or they were wiped off by a simple uprising. After a brief upswing, it began to fall even deeper. But the overall situation is bleak. I mean, how is this even possible? I don't think there's any other cryptocurrency where 20 million coins suddenly vanish without a trace. Who would have thought that 20 million people, the long guys, the loggers who actually logged it, and the liquidators had to sell their positions? And it's mind-boggling how much money is wasted. I'm going to tell you something else. We hadn't seen that much before. However, mining might quickly become obsolete in this manner, especially when using Luna. There's a tendency for many people to grow greedy, and you need to exercise caution when shorting or trading. Having said that, Terra Luna does have a community currently. There's a lot going on. However, consider how many other businesses could not have shocked us in the way that this one did. More than a few people must have shorted Luna in exactly the same way and lost $500 million. You know, and it's a bit of a shocker to me as well. Then again, everyone is watching the news. Everyone is on their own journey. Everyone's going down by themselves. Everyone is urging you to recompense us. There's a lot of insanity going on out there. And Luna is no slouch. Do they really lose 99% of the time? Suppose a dishwashing liquid claims to eliminate 99% of all bacteria, but in reality, we have no way of knowing for sure whether or not it is true. I wish everyone involved in this situation the best of luck, and I hope the firm has a good explanation for this, considering they deployed AI to trade crypto on their behalf. As a result, it's possible that the AI malfunctioned and the item was sold. It's possible that no one on the team was to blame. An ETF platform called Arbuda, under which customers' crypto assets are held in safe custody and traded in the cryptocurrency futures market at a price, is the other half of Habit's service. Leveraged cryptocurrency trading was meant to come with a lower level of risk, and that was my job. In the end, their leverage position resulted in a loss. Awful thing to have to deal with. It's a loss of $20 million. Terra Luna, on the other hand, I still need to be burned. You know, Para Luna. It destroys everything in its path except for its own tokens, which it leaves alone. If you'd like to see more of this, that's okay. Smash it as hard as you can. However, I'll be sure to keep you all informed as soon as I hear anything new. But what are your thoughts, guys? Please inform me as soon as possible. Economics is below because I'd like to hear what you think. The following timepiece is 1.